version has such a cool drive to it. Then thanks everyone for all the love on my Delta Bartok EP. Up next this month is my new single, In Your Eyes. It's a down-tempo, super chill track with some tropical vibes. Just keep an eye on my socials for the first teaser of the summer tune. Let's get back to the music now with quite an energetic record from Artliv3, forthcoming on enormous charts. Here's Ruido. This is Purified Radio. Nora and
Yo puedo ser tu gran aliada, la que aconseja y la que apaña. Yo puedo ser cualquiera de todos, depende de cómo tú me apodes. Pero no voy a ser la que obedece, porque mi cuerpo me pertenece. Yo decido de mi tiempo como quiero y como quiero. Independiente yo me sé.
Next week and exclusively online at Mixcloud. This last track is a beautiful tune, something a little older off of the Winter sampler on All Day I Dream. It's called Archangel. It's by SA. Hope you guys have a great weekend.
The original is quite a chilled, pretty tropical track that lets you dream of some island beach vibes, as long as travels are restricted, as always. Coming up on this week's episode now, I've got music from the likes of Milkwish, Jos and Ellie, Departure, Einmusik, March and many more. But let's get the show started with the track forthcoming on Enormous Chills. Here's I Will Get My Way from Masterita.
Dive into an hour of purified music. This is Purified Radio with Nora and Pure.
Eyes of a tiger locked in, I'm loaded. I got a feeling I can't control it.
Garage remix of 2020 Kid and Gracie called Don't Need Love, and I've got another for you this week, this time done by Little Rich. Check this out.
This is Evolve Radio.
So I